An incident manager plays a critical role in ensuring that an organization's IT systems and operations run smoothly by responding quickly and effectively to technical disruptions. They are responsible for managing the entire life cycle of incidents, from identification to resolution, while minimizing downtime and maintaining communication between teams and stakeholders. This role demands strong analytical, leadership, and problem-solving skills. In this video, we will explore common incident manager interview questions, along with sample answers and practical tips. These questions are designed to help you prepare responses that showcase your ability to handle critical situations, communicate clearly, and lead resolution efforts efficiently. With preparation, you can demonstrate your expertise, composure, and readiness to ensure operational stability. Understanding the role of an incident manager. An incident manager oversees the identification, investigation, and resolution of IT or service disruptions. They coordinate between technical teams, prioritize incidents based on business impact, and ensure root cause analysis is conducted to prevent recurrence. Employers seek candidates who can stay calm under pressure, manage multiple incidents simultaneously, and communicate effectively with both technical teams and business leaders. Familiarity with IT service management, ITSM frameworks like ITIL, ticketing tools like ServiceNow or Jira, and post-incident reporting are often key requirements for this position. Question 1. Can you describe your experience managing IT incidents? Here's how you can answer. In my previous role, I managed incidents ranging from minor service interruptions to critical system outages. My responsibilities included coordinating technical teams, updating stakeholders, and ensuring timely resolution. I also conducted post-incident reviews to identify improvement opportunities. Tip: mention the scale of incidents you've handled and the tools or frameworks you use to show your experience level. Question 2. How do you prioritize incidents when multiple issues occur simultaneously? Here's how you can answer. I prioritize based on business impact and urgency. For example, an issue affecting customer transactions would take precedence over an internal system glitch. I follow ITIL guidelines to categorize incidents and ensure resources are allocated effectively. Tip: show structured thinking and familiarity with ITSM prioritization methods. Question 3. What steps do you take when responding to a major incident? Here's how you can answer. When a major incident occurs, I first gather key details and assess the impact. I quickly assemble the incident response team and establish communication channels. I ensure progress is tracked in real time, stakeholders are updated, and documentation is maintained for post-incident analysis. Tip: emphasize calmness, leadership, and clear communication in high-pressure situations. Question 4. How do you ensure effective communication during an incident? Here's how you can answer. I maintain open and structured communication by setting up regular status updates, using tools like Teams or Slack for real-time coordination, and sending concise updates to stakeholders. Clear communication reduces confusion and speeds up resolution. Tip: communication is vital. Highlight clarity, frequency, and transparency. Question 5. Can you explain the difference between an incident and a problem in ITIL terms? Here's how you can answer. An incident is an unplanned interruption or reduction in service quality, while a problem is the underlying cause of one or more incidents. Incident management focuses on restoring service quickly, while problem management aims to identify and eliminate root causes. Tip: show understanding of ITIL principles. It reflects your technical knowledge and structured approach. Question 6. How do you handle pressure when multiple stakeholders demand updates simultaneously? Here's how you can answer. I stay composed and follow a communication plan. I provide clear, concise updates at predefined intervals and ensure that each stakeholder group receives information relevant to them. This helps maintain trust and prevents miscommunication. Tip: stress composure, organization, and communication discipline under pressure. Question 7. Describe a time when you successfully managed a critical incident. Here's how you can answer. In one instance, our company faced a major network outage affecting customers. I quickly assembled the technical and vendor teams, coordinated diagnostics, and communicated regular updates to leadership. The issue was resolved within 2 hours, and I led a post-mortem that helped us prevent similar outages. Tip: use the STAR method, situation, task, action, result, to describe real experiences. Question 8. How do you ensure post-incident reviews are productive? Here's how you can answer. I schedule a post-incident review within 24 to 48 hours, involving all relevant teams. We discuss what went wrong, what worked, and how to improve. I ensure that action items are documented and tracked until completion. Tip: show commitment to continuous improvement and learning from incidents. Question 9. How do you track and report incident trends? Here's how you can answer. I use dashboards and tools like ServiceNow to monitor incident frequency and severity. I prepare monthly reports highlighting recurring issues, resolution times, and SLA compliance. This data helps identify patterns and areas for improvement. Tip: demonstrate analytical ability and data-driven decision-making. Question 10. How do you balance speed and accuracy when resolving incidents? Here's how you can answer. I focus on restoring service quickly, but ensure documentation and communication are accurate. I empower technical teams to act fast within established procedures while maintaining oversight to prevent shortcuts that could cause future issues. Tip: employers value both urgency and discipline. Show how you balance them. Question 11. How do you ensure SLAs, service level agreements, are met? Here's how you can answer. I monitor SLAs using ticketing tools, categorize incidents properly, and escalate when resolution is at risk. Regular team reviews and proactive monitoring help us meet targets consistently. Tip: mention monitoring tools and escalation practices to show accountability. Question 12. How do you motivate your team during stressful incidents? Here's how you can answer. I stay calm, acknowledge the team's effort, and ensure everyone knows their role clearly. Encouraging collaboration and maintaining transparent communication helps keep morale high, even in challenging situations. Tip: leadership under pressure is key. Show empathy and confidence. Question 13. How do you collaborate with problem management and change management teams? Here's how you can answer. After resolving an incident, I coordinate with problem management to conduct root cause analysis. If changes are needed, I work with the change management team to implement solutions safely without causing disruptions. Tip: show understanding of cross-functional collaboration within ITSM. Question 14. What metrics do you use to measure incident management performance? Here's how you can answer. I track metrics such as mean time to acknowledge, MTTA, mean time to resolve, MTTR, SLA compliance, and incident recurrence rate. These indicators help assess performance and identify improvement areas. Tip: quantitative awareness reflects a results-oriented mindset. Question 15. Why do you want to work as an incident manager at our organization? Here's how you can answer. I admire your company's focus on innovation and service reliability. As an incident manager, I want to contribute by ensuring minimal downtime and enhancing communication across teams. My experience with ITIL practices and handling major incidents aligns well with your operational goals. Tip: personalize your answer by referencing the company's values, scale, or technology environment. Final thoughts. Incident manager interviews assess your ability to stay calm under pressure, lead diverse teams, and communicate effectively during high-stress situations. Employers are not just looking for technical expertise, they want strong decision-makers who can coordinate people and processes seamlessly. Before your interview, review key ITIL concepts, refresh your knowledge of incident response workflows, and prepare examples of major incidents you've handled. Emphasize how you maintained control, ensured transparency, and drove continuous improvement. By showcasing your leadership, problem-solving skills, and dedication to operational excellence, you can demonstrate that you're the right person to safeguard uptime and ensure smooth incident management operations.